What's up YouTube, Ryan with the MXG channel here. So I'm working on a Surron Light BX build right here for the AOMC channel. Check that out if you get time, but I want to show you guys real quick how to eliminate the kickstand sensor if you don't know. So sometimes I hop on these things and turn the key and they don't want to go, and you got to kind of hit the kickstand on the back and it's really annoying. So we're just going to get rid of that real quick. This is one of the easiest bikes to do that on, so I'm going to show you. It also made sense because I'm installing this Warp 9 adjustable rear peg set on this and some really sweet magnesium pegs. So I was already at the kickstand sensor anyway. So you can see this kind of sits on here like this, so that gives you an idea how to get to it. Some guys, if they know they don't want this, they'll just cut this wire. I don't want to destroy mine because this bike doesn't belong to me, so I'm going to thread this out and then we'll move on. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is get to the plug, and it's underneath this bash plate here. So we've got some Allens here. They look like 5s, but they might be 6s. Let's see. Yeah, these bash plates are 5, so we're gonna take out this bolt here and this bolt here. All right, the bolts are out, so we can kind of pull this bash plate down off here. Now our connector is going to be inside this rubber cover for the wire loom here. So what we're going to do is cut these 2 zip ties back here at this frame brace, and then we're probably going to cut this zip tie, and we're going to follow this wire up into this cover. All right, we've identified our connector right here, and this one's super easy. All we have to do is unplug this, but it's gonna be smart to cover this up with electrical tape too, and then shove it back up in there really far. So let's do that now. All right, guys, here's our kickstand safety switch deleted from the Surron. I'm gonna put this in a bag in case the next owner wants to reinstall it for whatever reason, and it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.